another video in the series on our MemeMaker app. The last time we actually focused, and that was part 4 of the video, we focused on configuring the segmented control based on user interactions. But I observed something in the code the last time, so I want to do kind of a recap to fix some of those things I noticed. So I'm gonna go to Xcode right now. This is where we stopped the last time, and if you run the app, you notice there are some errors right here, and this is what it looks like. You can see the top here is completely okay, but the bottom there appears to be extra. I think it's like 2 more segments, and I'll tell you why we have these 2 segments, and we're going to fix a lot of things. Remember when I mentioned that we needed to clear, so the first time we moved the segmented control to the dashboard, right? One of the things that I mentioned was that somehow 2 segments were dragged along by default. So, and to be able to clear those 2 segments, right, that's why we use top segmented control dots remove all segments, and that's what clears those two segments, right? But notice we did that for the top segmented control here, but then we did not do that for the bottom segmented control. So this code here covers, from this point to this point, covers the top segmented control. We cleared it, and then we try to now apply to create a whole new set of segments, right? And I applied the 3 parameters, which is the title. We also had like the index using the top choice.count to be able to identify the index, and then we decided that it was not going to be animated because we are in view did load, and in view did load is when you're loading up the app and the user doesn't really see anything, so there's no point animating it. So since we are done with the top segmented control, the next thing is we want to go to the lower part, which is this is the bottom segmented control. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy here to be able to clear Command C, to be able to also clear the bottom segmented control, so Command V. But instead of top, I'm going to change this to bottom, right? So with that, we now have this for the bottom, and then this for the top. So one more thing that I think we didn't get right was when we're trying to access the index, right? We use the top index here, which is what we should have done, but then for the bottom index, we still use bottom index. So you're going to go here and put bottom index, and I think we should be fine now. So we're going to run the app again, and then let's see how everything pans out. So it's properly loaded right now. All of those errors are gone, and that's where we are going to stop with this, and we will continue in, I think that should be part 6 of the video, which will be the final part. So thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, just include in the chat section, and for those of you that are literally taking the class, you can literally email me and I will address whatever issues that arise. Thank you for participating.